Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Batgirl from DC Superhero Girls. So let's get started. To draw this cute Batgirl, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. So I'm just going to come to the other side, about right here. And connect it towards the bottom. So I'm just going to angle it a tiny bit, not so round. About right there, and connect. There. So this is basic bottom of a U. From there, I'm going to come back to where I started in this area and draw a circle close to the edge. So same thing on the other side. So close to the edge and then a circle. So let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So let's come back to the eyes right here, and I'm going to give it a little curve right here. And same thing over here at the top. Just a one curve. From there, let's draw her mask. So I'm going to come right in the center of the eyes. So say about right here. Just going to thicken this band right in the center. And I'm going to bring this and curve it around her eye. And up towards where we started. So same thing over here. Just curve it all around her eye and up. So then let's thicken this band right here. So come right here. I'm just giving it a slight angle right there. Slight angle right here and then up. I'm just going to bring it kind of to where the eye level is, and I'll stop right there because I still need to draw the strands of her hair. So I'm going to bring this up a little bit more on the sides, and then about right here I'm going to start and draw some strands of hair. So I'll just pick a point right here and draw my first strand that's going to come close to her eye, and then it's going to go up. And then I'm going to bring down another strand close to her eye again and go up. So then on this side, it's just going to come down. And right here, we're just going to bring this up. And so whatever gap you have right here, just finish off her face. And so then let's come back in here now that we have her hair in and we can finish the mask. So let's bring this up. So whatever space you've created, just imagine this going through, so about right here. And this will just finish and tuck it in. So then we're gonna, about right there, make it thicker. And so same thing on this side. So let's go up and thicken the band. Okay, so and then finish it off right here as well. So I'm just going to shade this all in because it's kind of confusing, right? So you can see it a little better what's going on. So you just want to create this mask around her eye. Hopefully I haven't made it too complicated. Just start right here in the center and then just go around her eye. If you love to draw superheroes, definitely check out my Draw So Cute Superheroes playlist. Hopefully there's one that you like, that you want to draw as well, and let me know in the comments below if there are other superheroes you want me to draw. Okay, there, a little bit better, right? You can see a little bit better. Now that it's shaded in, make this eye a little bit rounder. That's a nice thing about Draw So Cute eyes. They're a little bit easier to fix. It's just a circle. Okay, so then from there, let's come to the top of this eye. And since we have this space right here, we're going to still draw her brow. So I'm just going to come right here and tuck in a curve in this area. And let's see if I'm going to be able to see the other side. So about right here, just tuck in a curve. Whatever space you have left. Okay, so then let's come to the bottom, about right here, and draw a mouth. So about right here, I'm just going to give her a playful little smirk smile. And finally, we're done. Now let's come up right here, and we're going to continue her hair. So just bring this around. And we're not going to go too high because she's wearing a hoodie. So about right here. And just bring it in. And then let's come back to where her eyes are. And I'm just going to draw a curve for her ears. And then I just put in some details right here. So same thing on this side. So about right here. Curve. And some details inside. There. Okay. So we have, you know what, let's come up here and then let's draw the hoodie, the top part at least. So right above her, that curve you've created, is draw another curve right in the center. From there, I'm going to draw her ears on her hoodie. So there's a curve and bring it in. So same thing on this side. Just a simple curve and then bring it down. And then right here, I'm just going to bring this down a little bit following her, this curve right here. And flare it out. So before I draw the rest of her hair and her hoodie, I'm going to come down here and draw her body because she has a strand of hair that's kind of over her shoulder. So I'm just going to figure out where her body is before I draw that. So right in the center, let's give her neck. About right there. And I'm going to bring this curve down. So I'm stopping right there, but if you're using a pencil, definitely go and draw her shoulder just like this side. So about right here, and then I'm going to bring it down. So then on this side, since I have nothing blocking it, I'm going to kind of find where her armpits would be. So say about right here. And same thing about right here. And from there, I'm just going to bring in a slight angle line down. So now I kind of know where I'm working with, and let's come back up here and draw a curve. Okay, so then now let's go back and draw her hoodie and her hair. So since I have this point and I know this is where her armpits are, I'm just going to come right here and create this curve. It's just barely touching this part right here and just come out. But like I said, if you're using a pencil, definitely draw in her shoulders first and then this strand of hair and erase this part. Okay, so then from there, let's come down here, about right here. And I'm going to create her hair. So I'm flaring it out, round it off, bring it in, and connect. So we're just creating that, and then her hoodie. We're just kind of round and tuck it in. So on this side, it's going to come down, and then we're going to be tucking it in right here to towards her shoulder. So about right here. Not too high, just about right here where her shoulders are, and bring it in. So then let's draw, come in here, and we're just going to follow the outside and tuck it in. Okay, so there, finally have that part done. Now we can work on her body. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. About right there. And let's come right here, and I'm just going to connect it with a curve and then add a strap. So this is like the strap for her wings. So about right here, I guess you won't see it, I won't draw the other side. And so then about right here, I'm going to stop, and in this area is where I'm going to put her belt. So right in the center, I'm going to draw the bat buckle. So about right here, I'm just going to start with a curve. And the ears, so it's kind of like an M, and then we're going to curve it out. And then bigger curve for the wing area. And into the center and back out. So then from there I can go ahead and connect this for her belt. And pop it out a little bit and connect. But if you're using a pencil, definitely just draw this whole band first and then put in the bat. And then right here, just add some detail. And pop it out. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down more. So right underneath this bat, come down a little bit lower and say about right here, draw a slight angle line right in the center. From there, we're going to start to draw her legs. So let's come and bring this out. And I'm going to start to bring it all the way down. So we're just going to get thinner and thinner. I'm going to work on this side first. Let's say about a little bit more. Let's make her nice and tall. About right there, I'll stop. And I'm just going to connect it with a curve. So let's draw this side as well. So about right there. And right there, so then connect. Okay, so then now we can draw her boots. So bring this down. Down, and then this part's going to flare out, round it off, and connect back. And then at the bottom right here, draw the bottom of the shoe, and right here at the top, and put in a curve, and sides right here. This side's going to be a lot thinner. And then you can just come in here with your X's. Wait, I'm confused. What have I done? Okay, wait, hold on. There. Something like that. I should have just done an X. Okay, so same thing over here. About right there. And we're going to bring this out. And connect. And so same thing once again. Okay, so then now I'm just going to do X's. There. Okay, finally got the boots in. Now to draw her arms. So I'm going to imagine that her armpit's about right here, so I'm just bringing out her arms to her side. So shoulder coming down. And about right there, I'm going to stop, connect it with a curve, and I'm going to continue this down to about right here and connect. So then her hands are in a fist, so curve, add a little curve right there, and connect. So same thing on this side. So right there. So just continue this and just make sure about the same on the other side. Bring this angle in, connect, and once again the hands. Curve, there. Okay, so then now finally for some details, let's draw the bat logo right here. So it's kind of like this, but just elongated. So go right here in the center, a curve, curve up, curve up, and come down both sides, and then we're just going to do 1, 2 towards the center and come down, go back up, 1, 2. And finally, let's see here, what else? Oh, and then the bat wings right here in the back. So about right here underneath her hoodie, we're just going to go up and tuck in the wings right here. So curve down. There. So let's see if we can see the other side. So we're just going to imagine about right here. Curve. I'm just going to tuck it out from here. So say about right here. And I'm just going to bring this approximately down here. And 2 curves. So go up and in. So they're all done. I hope you love how this turned out. I was able to help you draw it as well. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.